Hi, Ravi. Let's meet for a movie tonight.
Hey Raj, I'm stuck with an issue at work. I can't figure out the reason for an increased net weight compared to the gross weight in the advance bill of materials on a project, and how to rectify it.
Why don't you search for a support article on this in the Tekla User Assistance? The article explains the rectification quite simply. The Tekla User Assistance is very helpful. We use it all the time and it is available online 24/7. It offers instructions, support documents and videos for us to learn, find solutions and enhance our productivity. On the Tekla Discussion Forum, up to 8,000 Tekla users like you and me share their best practices, methods, tricks and techniques.
I am unable to find this article when I search for it. There are other videos and tutorials on the fundamentals, but I'm unable to get the support articles.
Oh yes, I forgot to mention. We have complete access to the Tekla User Assistance as a part of our annual Tekla Maintenance contract. Do you not have that in your new organization?
Take care of your Tekla software. Call or write to us today at the contacts given on your screen.